Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and in today's video I'll be doing this natural 4C crochet hairstyle. This hairstyle took less than an hour to do, and it's suitable for all hair types. Also perfect for non-braiders. If you can't braid your own hair, this hairstyle is for you. So I'll begin by sectioning my hair ear to ear. The amount of hair you decide to leave at the front depends on your preference. So I'll go ahead and move this front section out of the way and begin to work on the back section. So for the back section, I'll be putting it in a bun. Also, that's a no glue, no gel hairstyle. So go ahead and create your simple bun. So that's what I'll be using to make the bun. It's a lace. You can use a thread if you want. So I'll wrap it around the hair and then pull each side. Then pull each side as tight as you can get. So that's a simple no gel, no glue bun. Let's move on. So for the hair, I'll be using the Darling Natural twist. That's the 20 inches and it's in the color 1B. Also, it's individually packed and it's in a total of 22 individual strands. So taking out my crochet pin, I'll begin to crochet around the bun. And you notice I didn't do anything to my bun. I didn't braid it down. I just left it because that will give it extra volume and also helps to lift the ponytail. So go ahead and crochet around it to conceal the bun.
If you open like a lock and key, yeah, you know, see your heart from me, baby, go to the end, lazy, yeah. Cause how you got me right now, you got me like you are the one I need, yeah. My home in the West Indies, baby, go to the end, lazy, yeah. Oh, look, I know you've been through a lot, dealing with your ex and crap, and oh, you know you're more than that. So just come let me relieve you, yeah. And please you, I ain't even trying just to feel you. I just wanna vibe with a bitch and make a give you too. You make me wanna give it to you. No one time, but a good wine. We combine energy down on the waistline. No half time, for the good, for the road guy. Cause now you want me every night time. Where you wanna go with this? Oh, just let me go, baby.
So there's after crocheting all the 22 pieces in, and look at that volume. So now moving on to the front section of the leaf out, I had 3 options and each was suitable for this hairstyle. And yeah, so the first option was to just swirl it like this, and that's perfect for non-braiders. If you can't braid your hair, just do this and you're good to go. So the second option I tried was a cornrow braid. It was really pretty, but I wanted to play around more, so yeah. But if you can braid your hair and if you want this hairstyle, go for it. It's pretty. So the third and final optional style for this was a flat twist. I really like this flat twist, hence I maintained it.
Lock and key, yeah. You know, see a heart from me, baby. Go we go to the endless, yeah. Oh, it's you are the one I need, like my home in the West Indies, baby. Go we go to the endless, yeah. Music to the
So that's the final look and I'm really impressed. It came out looking beautiful and pretty. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on all my socials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be smart, be creative, and be beautiful.
boy. Now I'm speaking like I need my toy. I be fine, boy. Let my go. So you know the season. You there for my mind. I know feel left you now. You and I know I deserve some love.